Here is another N-scale layout that I just finished. Rather than just run the train around and play the sound system, I'd like to share some of the design of this one, because this has got some fun features to it. First off, it's an oval with a turnout right here and a siding. It's on a 19-inch by 24-inch platform, so it's a small platform, easily fit in a living room or an office, but it's a pretty complete train. The turnout is power controlled, is remote controlled electrically, and it's got a little dwarf signal indicating to the oncoming train the position of the points. Factory in the middle is the Atomic Hasp and Hinge Company, a bit whimsical but sort of fun. And over here we have a small manufacturing company, the Tomcat Mousetrap, the world's only ball-bearing mousetrap. There are 4 platforms on a horseshoe track on the inside that is a trolley system. And the trolley can stop at any one of the 4 platforms, and it's completely automated. That's the part that I wanted to share with you. What I've done is cut the one rail so that when the train goes past it or the trolley goes past it, it will run out of electricity. I bridged the gap with a diode, so when the current is reversed, the diode will pass current and the trolley will go around to the other side and have the same thing on the other side. A cut in one rail and a diode across the gap. But more than that, I've set it up with 2 diodes on each leg, and so I can stop the train or trolley at this station or at this platform. You notice there are little people on the bench in each platform, so they're all waiting for a ride on the trolley. The trolley is over here. It could be replaced by a freight train. If that were the case, then you'd want to, when the train backed around, you'd want to stop the locomotive here so the cars were at the loading dock, and around this side you'd let the locomotive come all the way forward so you could get to the loading portion here with the freight cars. So that is the basic setup. I'll show you how this actually works. All the electronics for the trolley system are under the factory. Here I have, well, let's start over here at the beginning. I'm taking the AC power from an MRC power pack, running it through a rectifier, and then through a voltage reducer. 5 volts goes to the sound system, and 12 volts goes to all the accessories and the turnout. The 12 volts comes in here and operates a timer, which is adjustable by 2 rheostats, so I can cause the trolley to wait for a period of time at each end, and I can do it independently. I also have another voltage reducer to drop the voltage down to 7 volts, so the trolley will drive at a peaceful rate. So that's the setup. When the trolley comes around the mountain over here, I've got an infrared sensor that will cause these lights to flash. That's just to tell these people that a train is coming, and the sensor sees both the trolley and the outside train running around the oval. So it reports all traffic coming in. That's the setup. Here goes the trolley. Notice the trolley stops at the first station. I've got a little tree here. It's a toggle tree. It changes to the other diode and it goes to the other station. So you can play with that and have a lot of fun. The trolley will wait there just a few seconds, and then it will go back around. We'll use the other toggle tree. Trailer stops there, let it go to the end. Isn't that fun? And here's the turnout, of course. changing the little LED dwarf from green to red. There goes the trolley again. It's a busy little place, and the lights are flashing, indicating traffic on the main line here. That's my layout. It's a little different from the usual run, but I figured you were tired of seeing trains go around in a circle going chug chug. I'll give you a toot. Thank you.